Welcome to Bella's Bargains. I have my coffee. I hope this isn't your first time on my channel, because if it is, this is not what you normally see. But this is Saturday morning, get up, got to get a couple crafts done to download them, because I'm going to an off-road show with my guy. And so I got to get them done. I'm going to go take a shower next, don't worry. I don't even have earrings on or lipstick, which I never do, but that's okay. I don't care. It's fine. You're still going to get to see the craft. I'm really not here to see me, so who cares what I look like? Okay, the first one that I did this morning was so simple and so stinking easy, so stinking cute. It's a Christmas tree made out of boxes. I love this idea. Super light, super easy, super movable, and makes a stunning centerpiece because it has some height. And it's a Christmas tree. By the way, when I did it, you don't have to put the bow on it if you don't want, because it looks good either way. I was just trying to show that option. And then the other thing I did, which was really super easy, and it didn't come out quite as good as I thought it was going to happen, which happens when you do crafts. Sometimes things just don't come out like you think, but it's fine. It's okay. And to be quite honest, I got like a ton of yellow paper clips out of the project. So there's that. These were little office things that were paper clip holders, and I made them into creams and sugar holders for a coffee gift basket I'm doing for Christmas, because they're little miniature coffee cups. Actually, if I took the tape off of them, which they can do because it's just Christmas tape on there. So anyway, so that was what I did today, you guys. Okay, so I hope that survived. It's plastic. If not, I'll buy another one. I dropped it. Oh, well. Okay, guys. I didn't like the craft. See what happens when I don't like the craft. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Gonna finish my coffee, gonna go take a shower, gonna go to an off-road show. So there's that. So happy Saturday, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Yay, here comes the music. Listen, listen, listen. Dun, 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 boom. Oh, wait, but first I have to remote you off. All right, this is probably the easiest one I've ever done. Easiest. So what I have here is 4 boxes, and they are all different sizes. I suppose I don't need that on there, huh? And they're all different patterns and colors. And what we're going to do is we are making a Christmas box Christmas tree. What I love about these is that they're so cute. They're so easy, and they are so pretty. And it's just, you know, you just go buy whatever boxes you want. Okay, so I'm just going to show you from the side so you guys can see that I have 4 different patterned boxes, okay? And then I have a mini tree topper that becomes my topper on this Christmas tree. And I also have some really pretty sparkly gold ribbon that matches this to add to it. So let's put this together quickly. Did you catch that? I put the wrong box on. Make sure you have your boxes lined up correctly. I did get it off. Now I'm in construction the right way, but you'll notice I did glue on all of the lids, and now we're going to glue the boxes together in the right order. Can you guys see the sparkles? This is what happens when you drink coffee and do crafts in the morning. Okay. I have glitter-free coffee. Yay. So let's continue. Speaking of coffee, this one is, well, it could be a decoration if you were doing like a hot chocolate bar or a coffee bar or something, but this is actually something I'm decorating for a gift, but I figured I might as well share it. So I bought these in the office supply area, obviously, but tell me they don't look like little miniature coffee cups, like little to-go cups. So I'm doing a coffee basket, so I am remaking these for that. I have 2 of those. I have this laser tape. Look at those colors. How Christmassy is that? And with that yellow on there, I just thought perfect. And then I have some stickers. I brought 2 sets out because I haven't figured it out yet if I need them or not. So one is going to say sugar, and one of them is going to say cream as a little, and they're gonna have a little Christmas bling to them because I'm putting them in a Christmas basket. Let's go.